It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha Method of Joyful Design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. Real quick, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm. And when you get a chance, please share this video. I'd really appreciate it. In this video, I'm sharing my design of a kid's play zone. This zone is a small part of a larger basement design project. I also designed the family room and the laundry bathroom combo. But for now, let's talk about this kid zone. This play and reading nook is being designed for a little tyke who will one day grow up to be a teenager. Starting from scratch can be daunting, but I was up for the challenge. Once the flooring was in, it was time to start pulling the pieces together. The play zone is part of an open concept basement family room, so all zones needed to work well together. Ready for the reveal? Let's go! The kids' play zone is split by the gorgeous staircase that welcomes you into the family room. On the one side, there are the games and the puzzles and whatnots, certain to keep curious minds really busy. The homeowner wasn't sure what to do with what looked like dead space under the stairs, but I came up with the idea to have a two-part kids' play zone. Storage for games and puzzles on one side and a reading nook on the other. As I said, the play zone is part of an open concept basement family room redesign. The homeowner definitely wanted the kids' play zone to be functional, playful, but most of all, organized and neat. So I repurposed several of the items the homeowner already had on hand, including the bookcase, the wall art, and these wonderfully playful, soft stuffed animals. Right off of the play zone, I designed a seating area with a wood-top classic tulip table with a brass-looking base. It's the perfect place to grab a snack and to get a board game or a puzzle and have some great family time. I wouldn't be surprised if even some adults tried to snuggle up in this cozy reading nook. What was your favorite place as a kid to grab a book and get your read on? Let me know in the comments section below. When the toddler who lives in this home saw her play area, she had one word: mine. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. And when you get a chance, please share this video. I'm here to help people all over the globe. Thank you so much for swinging by my channel. Why don't you go ahead and click a link and watch one of my videos right now? Hey, you might even binge watch a few. So I will see you in the next video.